everyone, it's Trish and welcome back to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. If you're new to my channel, I post plant-based vegan recipes every week and I also post a vlog on Sundays. Feel free to subscribe as I am a new channel and still growing. So today I am back with another healthy yet so good muffin recipe. It's a chocolate blackberry muffin. This muffin is based off of my blueberry muffin recipe with a couple of changes, so I will link that recipe above and below so that you can check those out too. These muffins are oil-free, and if you're not a fan of bananas, I have put a flax meal alternative in the recipe which can be found in the description box below. These muffins are perfect for any occasion, especially breakfast and as a healthy and filling snack. They are not too sweet, but just sweet enough to get you past any sweet tooth that you may have. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients. First, you'll need baking powder, baking soda, salt, plant milk, I'm using vanilla flavored almond milk, vegan powdered sugar, spelt flour, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, molasses, almond butter, pure vanilla extract, and almond extract. You're also going to need about 2 cups of frozen blackberries, and either 2 ripe bananas or the flax egg alternative. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a large bowl, go ahead and add 1 cup of spelt flour, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 5 tablespoons of vegan powdered sugar, and then go ahead and mix this up. Next, in a small blender, go ahead and add 2 ripe bananas, 3/4 cup of plant milk, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of molasses, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Then go ahead and blend this up. Now go ahead and add the liquid mixture into the dry mixture and make sure you get every last drop. Now here I'm showing you in real time how much I'm stirring, and I do this because I want you to see how much stirring is actually involved, because you definitely don't want to overstir. Now we're going to go ahead and fold in 2 cups of the frozen blackberries. Okay, now let's go ahead and fill up our muffin tray. Fill any empty muffin cups with water to make sure that the cooking is even and the muffins stay moist throughout the baking process. Now let's go ahead and pop them in the oven, and we're going to bake them at 365 for 10 minutes. Then we're going to lower the heat to 350 degrees, and then we're going to bake it for an additional 15 to 18 minutes. Perfect. These muffins are so good and can be eaten cold or warmed up. The fresh fruit add a perfect surprise to your taste buds with each bite. This recipe is so versatile. You can substitute the blackberries for another fruit, and you can even add chocolate chips and nuts. As always, the recipe is in the description box below, and if you try out my recipe, go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Trish is Healthy. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button below to subscribe so you can be the first to check out my new recipes. I upload new plant-based recipes every week, and I also post a vlog every Sunday so you can see how we live our vegan life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.